Hi, welcome to Fraser's Friday Feature. Today I want to show you how the automatic folding mirrors work on our GM Chev products. So first thing you need to do is go into your settings on your radio screen and turn your folding mirrors on. Once you turn them on, you simply use your key fob, hold your lock button down, and the mirrors fold in. To fold them back out, you simply hold your unlock button down, and your mirrors fold out. It's as simple as that. It's great for parking lots or tight spaces, or you just don't want your mirror to get dinged. So that's a tip for this Friday. Next Friday I'll have another one. So stay tuned and see me next Friday. Thanks.